Yeah, this car is ready to hit the road again. Oh no, the car is dirty.
Cut it out. Stop crying. I need the car clean immediately.
I can't. Mr. Hand, I need your help.
Don't worry, let's build automatic car wash right now. Build the water spray system. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the main engine. Step 3. Build the car spinner. Install the water tank. Entrance. Exit. I'll test how the spinner works. Oh no! I need to stabilize the car. Check it again. Testing again. Perfect. The car is all set. Build the brush system. Step 1. Build the movement system. I need to secure them together. Install the conveyor belt. The movement system is done. Step 2. Build the wash brush. I installed the rotating brush. It does not use a motor. I'll build the automatic brush area. The 2 vertical brushes are now installed. Install the battery box. Smooth operation. They'll remove dirt on both sides of the car. Finally, I'll install the horizontal brush. This brush adjusts up and down based on the vehicle's height. I have completed the automatic car wash for you, Alex. Here's the newest automatic car wash.
Let's run it right now.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry, I forgot to add the soap. Car wash detergent.
I'll clean this car right now.
I'm in a hurry. Wash the car quickly. My car is ruined. I want a refund for the damage.
I'm so sorry.
Unbelievable.
Wow!
Amazing!
I've never seen a masterpiece like this before.
I see an entire universe in this.
No less than 10,000 for this.
1 day later.
Welcome to Central Art Gallery, everyone. Please behold our latest contemporary artwork. It's a work full of boldness and originality, opening up a whole new world of imagination.
Wow, beautiful.
What a masterpiece. I can create one way better.
How to build the Picasso painting system. Number 1. Canvas spin and slide. First, I'll build the rotating platform. The motor. Chain ring. Rotate function, checked. Then, place the rotating platform onto the sliding rail. Forward and backward function, checked. Wow! Hash 2, paint spreader. Now I'll build pumping unit to squeeze the paint down first. Add the motor. Pneumatic hose. Pumping unit done? Next, I'll need a swiper arm to spread the paint evenly. Red paint.
Let's set up my art studio right away. I'll use the roller brush head to cover the canvas first. For the upper layers, I'll use the paint brush head to add the details. Place the rotating platform on the rail, then put the picture frame on it. Time to make my first masterpiece. First, I'll use the brush head to spread the yellow base layer. First layer's done. Let's push ahead. I'll use red for the second layer. Look at that! The brush strokes flow so smoothly. Next layer, I'm going with blue. Ho-ho! This time I'll paint some super abstract strokes to make it more unique. The masterpiece by artist Alex is done. Triangle canvas and heart canvas. I'll make plenty more works of art to earn more super profits.
Whoa!
One done. Another one done. Everyone, please admire my latest masterpiece.
Wow, awesome.
Masterpiece. I love it.
You're genius, Alex.
I'll pay $5,000 for it.
Big profit, little cost.
At a river bridge.
Oh no, the bridge has collapsed.
Number 1. Build the roller.
I'm in such a hurry.
Don't worry. We will rebuild the bridge right away.
The bridge girder erection truck has arrived.
How to build the bridge girder erection machine. #1, the main engine. This is the key component that controls all machine operations. The main engine is done. Now I'll add some connecting beams. #2, the moving system. Tread links. Number 3, the support legs. These 3 support legs help the machine can lift and lower. One movable leg is mounted on the conveyor, and the fixed legs are mounted at the truck's head. Number 4, the cabin, the control desk. Number 5, the side walls. Number 6, the deck clamp blocks. For deck clamp blocks on each side will hold the bridge girder firmly. Number 7, the boogie wheels. These boogies help the truck move heavy bridge girders smoothly. The battery boxes. Place the roof. The bridge girder erection machine is done. Testing.
All right, crew, let's start building.
Then, I'll attach for gear sets to the frame.
Oh! It's in place. Now pull the truck back for the next girder.
We've got the second girder. Drive on, buddy.
Nice. We're almost done. Just one last girder left. All girders in place. Our job is done.
That's so quick, then I'll be on my way.
Wait, let me finish the bridge properly. Done.
Oh!
Testing. Lego gear.
Welcome. Our smoothie bar is happy to serve you.
I'd like a strawberry smoothie, please.
Your strawberry smoothie is almost ready.
Wow, that smoothie looks amazing. It tastes awful. I'd like to give some feedback about the drink. It's really not good.
I'm so sorry about that. I'll check it right away. Oh my god, the smoothie blender's broken.
I'm going to build a super blender with Lego. Let's get started on building it.
How to build the blender machine. Step 1. Build the vortex generator. Build the gearbox. Add the gears inside. Add the engine. Step 2. Build the case. Add the battery. Testing. Add the outer shell. Testing the machine. The blades are attached to magnet bar. Or bees. Success.
I'll use a Lego motor with crisscrossed blades to make it super powerful.
Yes!
The blender has been successfully powered up. Power it on and test it out. Now I'll choose the freshest fruits for the test. Here we go. This blender is too weak. It can't blend the fruits. Let's check the other machine. The other machine is weak too. I'll try increasing the speed to see what happens. Oh no, the blender broke and the smoothie's everywhere. What step did I mess up? Aha! I'm going to add an anti-shake system to the blender. This upgrade is sure to succeed.
Watermelon. The blade is starting to spin. Add some watermelon. They are completely blended. Add some milk. The mixture is mixed together.
The blender's working perfectly now. Everything on the machine is working fine. I did it. The ultimate multifunction blender is here. I'll bring the blender to the smoothie bar for the owner to test. Hello, I've got something I'd like to show you.
Wow!
This blender looks super modern. I've never seen one like this before.
The mixture is mixed thoroughly.
Trust me, this is the best smoothie you've ever tasted.
Banana milkshake is ready.
Oh wow, this tastes amazing.
It's my gift to you. Use this blender to serve your beach customers. What's in the blender right now? Go ahead and press it. The super blender just blew up, showering fruit all over the beach.
Oh no, what's going on?
Help me.
Help me.